Ano daw ang best drone sa ngayon for beginners, vloggers, and content creators? Ito yon, DJI Flip. Magagamit kahit walang controller dahil may AI features at may voice command at pwede makontrol via cellphone. Hey Fly, Droney. For full operation, gumamit ng RC entry controller. Lagyan ng phone na may DJI Fly app para sa screen or use RC2 controller yung may built-in screen. Long range na ang signal, 8 kilometers LOS. May level 5 wind resistance, up to 31 minutes flight time. Malinaw ang camera at may 3-axis gimbal kaya suwabe ang kuha. Pwedeng magamit as handycam. May infrared obstacle sensor sa harap at ilalim. At dahil may prop guards, safe gamitin. Di ko pa nasabi, meron pang slow-mo, hyperlapse, zoom, quick shots, master shots, panorama, cruise control, at auto-return home pag nalobat or mawala ng signal, plus cine and sport mode pa. Napakaraming features. Pwedeng-pwede rin sa mga KBL shooters. Price at link nasa caption at comment section. Kay Altitude ka bumili para may discount through me.